So I've had a few people ask me about my technique for spot washing. And this is for when you roll into a car show and you want to do a quick spot wash, waterless car wash in areas of your car that got dirty on the way there. Or if you have water spots on your car, or in my case, if I come back from a run and I just have some dirt that I want to get rid of, maybe the bottom half of the car. So this is the technique that I use. So for a ceramic coated car, you don't want to use any wash that has wax in it. So I use this brand here called No Rinse Wash and Shine. For non-ceramic coated cars, for my other car for example, I use the EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax by Chemical Guys. So there's a little bit different mixing ratio, but the concept's the same no matter which one of these you use. So for me, for my R8, which is ceramic coated, I mix 1/4 ounce of this No Rinse, and then I fill the rest of the bottle, this Chemical Guys bottle, with purified water, and I have my mix that I use for my waterless car wash. So now we're going to show you my technique for washing a car using these items. Oh, at the same time, I also have this microfiber towel. I actually have several of those because I want to make sure that as the towel gets dirty that I get it replaced. So let's see what my technique is. Okay, I forgot to mention that it's really important to use pH balanced waterless car wash. This is so that over time the waterless car wash solution does not change the chemical properties of your paint or your clear coat. So here's my technique. First thing I do is I spray from the top down the paint that I want to wash, or the clear coat that I want to wash, or the ceramic coating I want to wash. And at this point it is encapsulating the dirt and allowing that dirt to drain from the car. Then I take my microfiber cloth and I wipe as I turn very, very gently in a downward position. And this allows me to take the dirt and move it away from the car so that it doesn't scratch. And as I do more and more of the car, I'll want to use fresh parts of the towel, or when the towel gets dirty, use an entirely different microfiber towel. Thank you.